Stampers, and welcome to another episode of Stamp Time with Miss Jane. Today I thought I'd show you how to put your ink pad together when you get your ink pad. Okay, well, it's kind of together, but there's a couple of little things you can do. These are the beautiful new ink colours coming out in May, and they are super pretty colours. So let's put some of them away. Get one of them and let's get started. So you'll notice it's come in shrink wrap. So I'm just going to grab my trusty little Sharpies scissors and rip her open. Don't need that anymore. Okay, now your ink pad comes, and to open it, you will think of it like a makeup case. So it's just flip the lid, just like so, flipping the lid, and then you can slide it along your tracks and it's in place ready to go. Okay, pretty much that's it. However, it does come, well, let's clump it down, that's when you know it's closed. It does come with some pretty stickers on the back. So we're going to take our name, Soft Succulent, and I'm going to just label it on the front. Placing it down there like so. Now there's other languages which you can use for other items that you may wish to label, like your cardstock or your re-inkers or your daubers. We're going to first of all though take the label at the bottom which doesn't have anything on it. Open up your ink pad and you'll notice there's a little tray here, little clear, nothing there. So what you can do, you can put your little label in there. I'm going to just make sure it stays with my bone folder there. That way, if you've got lots open on your desk, you'll know, oh yeah, that's green. Is it blue, green, purple? It's green. Okay, so you can kind of take a guess at what one it is. So that is all you really need to do. However, there's a couple of other little handy tips. If it is a bit tough sliding because it's like fresh, what you can do is take a birthday candle, like happy birthday to your new ink pad, and just grab it and run it along the tracks here, just like so. Okay, just make sure we're not going to get any of the candle wax on your ink pad itself, and then just give it a few slides. So you can just give it just so that it's all ready. Another little handy tip, if your ink pad comes and it is super duper juicy, what you can do is just grab a plastic spoon and smushy in the ink so that it smushes down a bit. These ones look quite fine this time around, but I have had some that have been mega juicy, and that just helps. You would also use your plastic spoon if you're going to re-ink it. So you'd pour your little re-inkers on and smushy, smushy, smushy it down. And your ink pad is ready to go. Don't forget to store them upright and you won't have any dramas. Until next time, keep smiling, keep stamping.